Hey everyone, so we're working on our word definitions page today. If you do not have this version, then you probably have the other version, so you can watch the other video instead. So this is for the graduation 2020 article. Word definitions. Match each picture word card to its definitions. So our 4 words are down here, and we are going to read each definition and choose the right answer. You can use your vocabulary card to help you with this. Excuse me. The first definition is a place where students learn. Place where students learn. So which one is that? Seniors, graduate, school, or celebrate? Which one is a place where students like yourself learn? So a place where students learn is a school. So you guys are at school, even though right now school is closed, we're still able to work through these videos and your work packets, your parents helping you, right? So this is still school. It's just looks different, but a school usually is a place where you go to where you learn. Next word or definition: to successfully complete school and receive a diploma. Which one is to successfully complete school and receive a diploma? Seniors, graduate, or celebrate? So, to successfully complete school and you receive a diploma, that means you have graduated school. And while this usually applies to high school and college, you also, excuse me, you also receive a promotion diploma when you graduate 8th grade or 5th grade as well. Next one, to do something special to honor a person or event. Which one is to do something special to honor a person or event? Is it seniors or celebrate? So, if we're doing something special to honor someone, we are celebrating them. So it could be a birthday, or if you're celebrating a person for doing something really cool or nice, it could be a graduation you're celebrating, a wedding, any of those. You do something special, maybe have a party or have some special food to eat. Our last one, students in the last year of high school or college. And our last one is seniors. So when you're in your last year of high school, there's 4 years of high school and 4 years of college, you are a senior. All right, so school, a place where students learn. Graduate, to successfully complete school and receive a diploma. Celebrate, to do something special to honor a person or event. And seniors, students in the last year of high school or college.